Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I was finally going to do the Beyond Meat Thrive Market tier list video, which I've been teasing this for almost, I think, 2 weeks now. So my apologies for the delay, guys. I got a little bit carried away, a little bit excited from the Oatly IPO. You know, I had a couple of videos on Oatly, and I had the new valuation video I made for that and Beyond. But before I get into the tier list, I just wanted to address Beyond's chart here. Now, as you guys may have heard today, or may have saw, we had a huge run up today, thanks to analyst Alexia Howard from Bernstein, who upgraded Beyond. There was a double upgrade on Beyond, and then we saw the price take off. Now, I'm not going to claim that I'm a technical analysis expert or anything, but I did call the bottom here at 100. I said that we would have a double bottom, and as you could see, I had this uptrend that I drew, that if we broke this neckline right here, then it would be a confirmed uptrend. And then, you know, this news came out and that just kind of confirmed it. So, I mean, whether or not we would have broke out to the upside regardless without the news, you know, we can't really know that. But, you know, we did end up breaking up to the upside, although we did create this gap here because, unfortunately, this news came out pre-market, and this just really ran up a shit ton pre-market. And now we have another gap here along with the gap at 94. So if you're one of those people that believes that gaps have to be filled, then we have to fill this gap here now at 108, and we also still have to fill the gap in 94. But for now, guys, again, this is really good news. There was a lot of solid buying pressure today. I think a lot of people getting in long term with no intention of selling, so I don't see us going down anytime soon. I think we're going to probably hold these gains. But anyways, guys, now to get into the tier list here. So there were 5 meals that came with the Thrive Market Beyond Meat package. So I guess I'm just going to go left to right here, starting with the red enchiladas. Now, I'm going to be honest, guys, I am not the biggest fan of enchiladas. I'm kind of a picky eater in that regard. I'm not like a big fan of peppers, really. But, you know, I decided to push through for this review. And plus, I would like to force myself to like peppers because I like the flavor of them. It's more of like a texture thing. That's my main gripe with most foods I don't like. It's usually like a 90% a texture thing. But yeah, so the red enchiladas, they were really good. Now, I'm going to say right off the bat, guys, the Beyond Meat was fantastic in all of these dishes. Any shortcomings that there were not because of the Beyond Meat. It was because of any other things that I might not have liked, I might have been picky about. So yeah, I just wanted to clarify that right away. All the Beyond Meat stuff was fantastic. But in terms of the red enchiladas, I will say that I did like the green ones better, but they were still really good for what they were. So I'm probably going to go with a B tier for the red enchiladas. Now, the green enchiladas, again, pretty much the same thing, but I preferred the green sauce for whatever reason. I just thought it went a lot better with the cheese. Again, the Beyond Meat was great, tasted like real meat. So the green enchiladas, I would say, are A tier. Now, the shepherd's pie, guys, I will admit I was not the hugest shepherd's pie fan before this, but this was surprisingly very high quality for a microwavable meal. And I probably should clarify that, guys. I made all of these in the microwave, although there are instructions to make them in the oven if you would like. But yeah, the shepherd's pie, guys, very high quality. Again, all these meals are very high quality. And yeah, not much else to say there besides I really liked it for shepherd's pie. Again, I'm not much of a food reviewer, guys. I'm just going through these pretty quick here. But yeah, shepherd's pie, again, for someone like me who was pretty picky, didn't really like shepherd's pie, it was really good, so I would also put this in A rank. And now we're getting to the good stuff. We are getting to the S tier level stuff right here. The pasta bolognese, guys, was amazing. Now, I'm going to be honest, I never really knew what pasta bolognese was before this, so I didn't really know what to expect. I guess you could compare it to American chop suey. It kind of just reminds me of American chop suey, and I loved American chop suey. It's basically just pasta, sauce, and meat. And again, guys, the Beyond Meat was amazing. The sauce they used was amazing. Everything about this dish was so, so good. And this was definitely an S tier rank meal right here. I will definitely be ordering more of these separately in the future. Definitely my favorite meal out of everything. And lastly, we have the lasagna, which I was the most hyped for because I am a huge, huge lasagna boy. Now, the only disappointing thing for me is that they used soy for the feta-based cheese, you know, like the chunky cheese. They used soy, and as you guys know, I have a soy intolerance, so that did not agree well with my stomach. To be honest, I kind of pushed most of that to the side and just kind of dug into the, you know, the Beyond Meat and the other cheese that was in there. But yeah, guys, the only thing holding this back from S rank was the use of the soy. If they didn't have soy in this, then it would totally be S rank, but unfortunately, I just can't do it. I gotta put it in A rank because of that. It is disappointing, but S rank is reserved for things with 0 flaws that are 100% perfect, and that would be the pasta bolognese for me, guys. That was the only thing that was 100% perfect for me. Again, the enchiladas probably could have made it to S rank for anyone who actually does like enchiladas and isn't as picky of an eater as me. And again, people who like soy, you probably put that in S rank as well. But for me, guys, the only thing for me that made S rank was the pasta bolognese. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much going to do it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if the idea of a Beyond Meat themed YouTube channel sounds good to you, please consider subscribing. And I will catch you guys in the next video.